Hi, I'm Theo from PREAT Corporation, and I'm here to introduce the second phase of our PREAT Digital Choice Library. This new edition will include 8 new implant systems of Biomet 3i Certains 3.4 and 4.1, Hiossen Mini, Straumann Tissue Level RN, Zimmer TSV 5.7, and Nobel Tri-Lobes NP, RP, and WP. That's nearly double the amount of implant systems from the first PREAT Choice Library, all still giving you the 17 different prosthetic choices and the restorative freedom. In addition to the launch of the second choice library, we are excited to announce the Scan Buddy Kit edition number 2. Just like the first edition, this kit will include one scan body for every implant system offered in the second phase of the PREAT Digital Choice Library. So if you buy Scan Buddies Kit edition number 1 and 2, you will have 18 different implant systems to work with our PREAT Digital Choice Library. To get started, you can download the libraries free of charge. All you have to do is go to www.preat.com/choice library. Go ahead and click download libraries, fill out the order form, and then you will be emailed a link to access the Digital Choice Library. Now you also have the option of downloading the full libraries of phase 1 and 2, or now scroll down to the lower half of the page and you can download the individual libraries a la carte. If you have any questions on downloading the library or have any questions in general about our PREAT Digital Choice Library, you are more than welcome to live chat, email, or call us, and we will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you for taking an interest in our PREAT Digital Choice Library.